Welcome to High Energy, No Pressure Selling, how to increase sales and reduce stress. I'm Joe Nunziata. One of the things that is really important for people, I think they don't think about it enough, is how do you feel about your price? And the reason I bring it up is I've seen a lot of people that they talk about their product or service and they're really excited. Oh, you can see they love it. They love what they're doing. They're so excited about the product or the service that they're presenting. And then we get to the price and everything changes because the whole feeling of, oh, now I have to tell you how much it costs changes the dynamic of energy of how you're feeling. So all of a sudden, all this great high, yeah, this is a great thing and I love this product and I love this service and I'm showing to you and I'm telling you how great it is. And now I get to the price and something inside of me gets triggered. And the question is, how do you feel about your price? Now, it doesn't mean that your price is wrong. See, I think that's what a lot of people think. They say, well, maybe the price is too high. Maybe the price is wrong. Maybe I didn't price it correctly. No, it's about how you feel about it. Do you feel it's worth that price? Now, this is an intangible because it's not about whether it is or not. There is no such thing. There is only how you feel about it. So the next time you're presenting your price, or when you're saying this is what it is, get inside yourself and say, do I really feel good about this price? And if you do, that will come across and people will respond to that. And if you don't, and if you feel nervous or if you feel fearful about it, people will feel that as well and they will back up and not want to do business with you. So understand how you feel about your price is the key, not what the price is. I'll see you next time. Go to highenergychannel.com to subscribe and see more videos.